What is a WAV? A wheelchair accessible vehicle, or WAV, is a vehicle that has been specially adapted so that a wheelchair user can travel safely and comfortably while seated in their wheelchair. There are lots of different types of WAVs, and many people move to one when simply getting in and out of a standard car is not possible or starts to become increasingly difficult. They can be quite expensive though, which is why many people in the UK lease a WAV with the help of the Motability scheme. Others choose to go direct and buy their own brand new WAV or opt for a money-saving second-hand one. If you're considering switching to a WAV, there's a lot to think about. To select the right one for you, think about whether you would like to drive the WAV yourself, either from your wheelchair or by transferring to a specialised seat, or travel as a passenger, which you can do up front next to the driver, or more commonly, towards the rear of the vehicle, in what's called a rear passenger WAV. So, how do you access the vehicle in your wheelchair? Well, by far the most common way is via a specially fitted flexible ramp at the rear of the vehicle, but a small number do have a heavy-duty lift or a side entry ramp fitted instead. For vehicles with a rear ramp, look for a powered winch, as these make accessing the vehicle much easier, especially if a family member or carer doesn't have the upper body strength to push your wheelchair up the ramp and into the vehicle. Once inside the vehicle, in addition to a 3-point seat belt, wheelchair tie-downs and floor-mounted brackets secure you and the wheelchair in place so you're safe while out on the road. To fit all this extra kit in and create more space inside, the company that converts the vehicle into a WAV will lower and extend the floor of the vehicle and cut away the rear bumper to make room for the rear ramp. Now, there are only a small number of authorised UK firms that specialise in WAV conversions, and all vehicles that have been converted must have what's known as type approval, which involves the thorough testing of key parts and features to ensure that the WAV is safe and ready for road use. Choosing a wheelchair accessible vehicle might seem like a big step, but it could make a huge difference to your life. Make sure you ask the WAV specialist all the right questions and do your own thorough checks before choosing a new or second-hand WAV. Is it safe and comfortable getting in and out of the vehicle? Is there enough headroom while sat in the vehicle? Can you see out of the windows? Does the WAV have all the features and options you need? Are there enough seats for all the potential passengers? And is the seat configuration correct? Will the WAV fit into your parking space at home? And is there enough room to open out the ramp fully? And finally, what kind of warranty and aftercare service does the WAV come with? The answers to these questions will help you to choose the WAV that's right for you.